Mike Love here at MarineMax in Summers Point, and today we're going to be walking through this brand new 2024 Scout 330 LXF. Starting in the back of the boat, you'll notice this option is powered by twin 400 Verados V10s. These are the all-new V10s from Mercury. You also notice on the back here I'm standing on this expansive swim platform made entirely out of S-Tech. Gives you lots of space to maneuver around these engines, as well as a great way to get on and off the boat from boarding on the dock. Stepping onto the boat through this walk-through door here, you'll notice lots of space for entertaining and fishing in the back. We have a pull-out bench seat in the back to accommodate additional guests, as well as an aft-facing bench seat here. It's great for watching sunsets or keeping an eye on your lines while out trolling. Padded bolsters all along the boat to make nice comfortable everywhere on the boat for fishing overboard. You'll notice here on the port side you get your raw and freshwater washdowns, as well as a nice dive door. Great for helping people get on and off the boat, as well as bringing in the catch of the day. In the back corner here as well, you're going to notice we have a live well with the acrylic to be able to see the healthier bait. Above us here is the fully fiberglass hardtop sunshade. You'll notice this is fully expanded to give us a lot of shade here in the back, and you'll notice these rocket launchers are in the folded down position. They are on a hydraulic that will fold back up when the sunshade is fully retracted. Stepping up to the helm of the boat, one of my favorite things about this helm is this step up. So those of us who are a little bit shorter like myself have no problem comfortably seeing over the bow of this boat. Also looking here at the helm, lots of cool options. Twin 15-inch Garmin screens to give you all your charts, as well as sonar or any other needs you'll have on this. And even on this boat, you're able to access all of your switching right from your Garmin screen. You have joystick on this boat to give you your auto heading, as well as skyhook, zip wake to keep you nice and flat while underway, digital throttle and shift on the Mercury V10s, and a fully enclosed windshield to keep you nice and dry and out of the wind. VHF radio overhead, as well as some additional accessory switching. Passing by the helm here, we're going to take a quick peek into the head. Very large head on this boat. Actually even has a small cabin in the front with a filler cushion. This is going to be climate controlled down here, so it's a great space to get out of the sun for a bit. Maybe if kids on board who need to cool down, a great space to come, as well as having a freshwater sink. All of your battery and accessory switches are in the head compartment here as well. Moving to the front of the boat, you'll see we have a massive lounging space here in the front. Comfortably accommodates 2 guests, some cup holders, and also provides a huge storage area. We call this compartment here the garage because of how much space you have and so much stuff you can fit in here. On the bow of the boat, beautiful entertaining area, and you'll notice this table. This table has got S-Tech on the top and has multiple different height settings. So you can lower this table down to make it flush with the seating, to make it a large casting platform for those days you're staying in the bay, or you can put this all the way down just to make an open, comfortable seating area for all your guests on board. Bow of the boat, you'll notice we do have a through-stem windlass. Make it nice and easy for dropping anchor, saving your back out there. So again, it's Mike Love here at MarineMax Summers Point on our brand new 2024 Scout 330 LXF. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, love to have you come by the store or give us a call anytime at 609-926-0600. Thanks, and see you out on the water.